In this video we're going to take a look at the idoo Antispyware Pro software. Under system detection you have several options: memory scan, disk scan, system info and submit files. Let's have a look at memory scan. Click on that, and here it says, are you sure to use the cloud identification comprehensive analysis of the system? Internet connection required. This will take several minutes. Press on OK, and now it's going to scan the memory. And like it said, this may take some time. Okay, now it says it's going to execute a cloud identification. So it's doing that now. And it's basically gathering information from the server, from the internet. And it's checking through all our services. And as you can see in brackets, it's saying safe, so that's good. Okay, then when the scan is finished, it will let you know if anything's been detected, and for me it says suspicious objects have not been detected, so that's good. So let's go back to system detection and have a look at the disk scan. So here we can run a quick scan, full scan, custom scan, and have a look at the virus removal tools. We'll have a look at the quick scan now, and this will only scan the Windows folder. So it's scanning it right now, and if any threats are detected, it will show up here. So we'll wait for that to finish. Okay, so the scan is completed and it says no threats have been found. So we will click return. And we've got the option of doing a full scan here. Let's have a look at that. And again, it will go through a scan, but this time it will scan the whole computer. And this will take some time. So I'm just going to stop it for now. And you can do a custom scan here. Let's have a look at that. So basically with a custom scan you can choose a location to scan in. So you basically select a sort of folder like the My Documents here and press OK, and it will scan that location for us. And we have the virus removal tools. Let's have a look at that. And we've got two tools here. These are different virus removal tools. So if you think you've got this particular virus, you can use this tool. I'm going to click on that. Okay, so it's brought up a box, and it's just going to run this particular virus removal tool. And it does a scan, and if it finds anything it will remove it for you. I'm just going to cross that off for now. Okay, the next option is system info. Let's have a look at that. Okay, so here this is telling you the CPU usage, and this is the memory, how much memory in red I've used, and how much free memory in blue. And it tells you the page file, program windows, 13 of them, and memory processes, 98. And it tells you the free space and the system runtime. And you can choose the memory optimizer. Just click on that and it will optimize the memory for us. So we're just going to wait for that. Okay, so that's optimized the memory for us. And here we have submit files. So if you've come across any unrecognized suspicious programs or Trojans, you can submit the files to us for analysis, and we'll deal with the submitted files instantly and add to our database. So you click on add files and you locate them on your computer, and then you can submit them. Here's the next option we have here is System Manager. Let's take a look at that. So we have some different options here, and they're also located on the right hand side. So we have Inspect Process. So you can inspect and manage the running processes, locate and terminate the selected process. So let's check that out right now. So here is everything that's running, and you can click on one and you can end the process, and it even tells you a little bit about it at the top here. So we'll go back to System Manager, and you can inspect startup. So anything that runs at startup, you can inspect it here by clicking on the button. So here is everything that's running at startup. Here's one here that's a bit that's missing, so we'll just remove that. Press OK. Are you sure you want to delete it? OK. And if there's any like this one here that you don't particularly want running, you just simply click on it and press remove. Okay, we'll go back to start System Manager, and here we have a system report. So this will generate a complete system report, analyze and submit suspicious applications. So click on System Report, and it says, are you sure you want to do a cloud authentication comprehensive analysis of the system? So it requires internet connection. Press OK, and it will go through that and produce a system report for us. I'll cancel that right now. And go back to System Manager, and here we have the whitelist, so you can manage application whitelists, add or remove trusted applications or links. So click on whitelist. Okay, and here we will show you the list of suspicious files, which we currently don't have any at the moment. So up the top here we have suspicious files, and you can also choose whitelists. If you click on whitelists, you can click on add file, and you can add a program to your whitelist here. And we also have malicious websites. So if you have a malicious website that you want to put in here, you add it to the list. So you type in the address and put add to list, and it will block them automatically for you. So we're going to go back to System Manager, and the last one here is Inspect Services. The function is provided for advanced users to manage this system services. Let's have a look at that. So these are all the services that are running, and you can click on one and you can start it, you can stop it, and change type to, and you've got manual, disable or auto there. So that's only for advanced users. So that was the System Manager. So now we'll have a look at the advanced functions. Now here we have the quarantine. So anything that's been found will be in the quarantine here, and you can click on them and restore them. If you want to, you can add them to whitelist if you know they're okay, and you can clear all. System repair, we'll have a look at that. There's different repair options here which can be affected by a virus, so these options will fix that for you. There's one here which says fix the frequent application errors telling that the memory cannot be read. There's also another one, restore the original Windows files, which requires the Windows setup CD. You can also do a backup of the registry, and you can restore it as well. Next option is enhanced uninstall. Let's have a look at that. Okay, so once we've clicked on enhanced uninstall, it takes a little while just to search your computer for programs. So this, you can manage your programs on the computer, and you can click on one and you can uninstall it and remove it from the list as well. And then you've got the ARP bundle. It says here, the bundle of Gateway IP and MAC has the ability to avoid network failures caused by ARP attack. So we recommend the bidirectional bundle at gateway and router for better performance. The function suits only LAN users. So I'm not actually a LAN user, so I won't need to put it in, but if you are, you can enter the details here, and it tells you the local IP and local MAC here. So we've got more utilities here, and we have the various options here, and they're also on the right hand side. You can do a repair of Internet Explorer, because sometimes viruses can destroy that, so you can do a repair of that. You can check the network status, check the current network connection status, terminate selected processes, and we can check on that, and you can click on one and end process. And then you've got the assistant tools. The tools include the file shredder, suspicious files, extraction, and other system tools. Let's have a look at that. Click on assistant tools. So here is the file shredder. If you want to make sure a file is properly deleted, I mean not just using the recycle bin, we want it to be deleted a lot more thoroughly than that. So you just add a file and then start the shredder. Then the file extraction. Okay, so this helps you extract pointed suspicious files, and analyze your system security. Enter only one file on each line, and the program will figure out the path. So you extract there. And other tools, you've got Windows Update, disk cleanup, all the tools that you actually have on your computer, but these are like quick shortcuts to them. So you may not know they're actually there, but this will actually take you to them for you. Okay, then going back to more utilities, and we have another one here, detection logs. So you can check the logs here by clicking on that, and it tells you everything there. Okay, so this option here protects your USB flash drives from viruses spreading and infecting it. So you just put enable there, or disable if you want that feature to be on your USB drive there. We also have the register and update button here. So if you have paid for the product, you can register it and you can update it. We can have a look at these settings here, and this option here allows you to run the software as startup. So here you can choose the detection level, high, medium or low, and the sound warning on or off, and the update settings. You can do it automatic if you like, or background update. Next option is about, and this tells you just a little bit about the company and the software here, and the website is at the bottom. So that was a look at the idoo Antispyware Pro software. Don't forget you can also check out the other software available on the website at idoosoft.com. Thanks for watching.